Hi, I'm Marco. I'm your host of today, and I'm gonna guide you through this video tutorial and this demo of the Plusgrowth WordPress marketing automation plugin. I'll start at the beginning. Assuming that you already have downloaded and installed the plugin on your WordPress environment, you will probably see at the plugins environment the section Plusgrowth. The only thing you need to do now is to create a settings, and these settings will give you a possibility to add a API code or API key in it. This API key is a default one you get by email after you have downloaded this plugin from the website. And what you simply do is you add this API key in your Plusgrowth plugin environment at your WordPress. And then you will see that it will enable new features. Enabling like pop-ups, or it will give you the ability uh, to use the Gutenberg blocks, or maybe you can use the theme CSS for the forms, etc. etc. There are many options possible. So when you have your installation ready, as I said, you receive by email a API key. This API key is communicating with your environment at Plusgrowth over here. And to make it a little bit easier, most forward is that I will give you a little bit of tour how this platform is working. So we always start with contacts. Contacts are basically all contacts you have. So either you have a CRM, or you have a bunch of contacts you fetch from Event. You can upload them via the import context segment, and all these contacts will be listed in this environment. Second part is that this automation tool comes with 40 plus templates, where you have the ability to build your own workflows and build all your elements in a very fast and responsive way. So what you see here is when we go to the base foundation is the ability to build a dashboard. And this dashboard works as follows. So you have add content, and we always work with a Kanban system because the Kanban system is the most interesting part we have in our system. And basically what we have done is we built a pipeline for you. So this pipeline is coming together with your default set of templates, so you can simply have a clear overview of where your customers are in their customer journey. Are they either a visitor, are they a lead in MQL, MQL2, or are they ready to buy and are they in SQL? And of course, you can extend this in any type of form. What you also see here is a bunch of preset campaigns. And these campaigns are either for newsletters or a drip campaign based on action points, or maybe somebody's landing on a page, or etc. So basically what you do now is, when we have set this environment, is you go to automation. And with automation, you have the ability to choose on two separate type of campaigns. Either it's a campaign where you would like to do a reach out, or it's a campaign where you would like to do a certain set of campaign in the form of reaction. So in this particular case, I have, let's say, a social media campaign. And in this social media campaign, I'm gonna set up a series of posts. In those posts, I simply can make a distinction between would I like to post on WordPress, which is my own WordPress environment, or would I like to use a Twitter or Facebook or LinkedIn post, maybe an Instagram, or if I would like to go absurd, I would like to do a even campaign task, um, or a campaign Slack message. In all the other scenarios, it's also possible to schedule a series of campaigns and using other type of social media. But feel free to ask if you are searching for a typical solution. So this is purely listing. So you create a set of campaigning where you can simply get up and running, and then build your whole PR calendar up front for the couple of months. It works like follow. The second part is that you can do a certain auto-responding element. And the auto-responding element is basically if this then that. So let's say we have a form on your WordPress environment, and this form, somebody fills in this form. Then you need to do something with that form. Normally that form sends you a message. Hey, somebody filled in a form. But you want like to make it a little bit more intelligent. And to make it more intelligent, you can do it like this. You can simply go to the workflow environment and select a set of services. Let's say If somebody fills in this form, do we know this person? Have we met him before? If the answer is, do we know this person? Because he's anybody from this list, yes, I would like to send him a message. If he said, no, I don't want, I'm not sure if I know this person, then we simply can say, I would like to add him to this list. So the question is very simple. Yes, green, no, red. And if you say, if we would like to add them to the list, I would like to send a different message to them. Let's say I would like to welcome him. Then you simply can go list and click this environment. And the most important part is that this is a process you can save and you can just repeat. That's the best part of marketing automation. Save, repeat, save, repeat. Then every time somebody fills in a form, you simply follow these steps. Well, it's not you, it's the automation part who's doing it for you. Because you now have built a process, and the process makes it much more easier for you to understand how it's working. Beside campaigns like this, you also have the ability to choose from assets. Assets can contain different elements in your website. Either it's an appointment template or email or page template for your landing page. So in this email templates, we created for you already a set of pre-formatted templates, simply ready to use. Simply choose the style you like and click on deploy and it will be deployed. Like this. This is a template. I simply choose it, then it will generate the template upon your request, and then you have the ability to build and edit it online. Which there is so much more in this environment, so I encourage you to test it out a little bit yourself and play with it. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask, because we're here for you to help getting the best of your environment.